When warning lights illuminate on your dashboard, they indicate potential issues within your vehicle's critical systems. Understanding what these lights mean is essential for vehicle safety and maintenance. The check engine light, or CEL, primarily signals emissions-related or engine performance problems. An amber or yellow light indicates non-critical issues that should be addressed soon, while a red light demands immediate attention. VSC, or vehicle stability control, prevents skidding and loss of traction during cornering or emergency maneuvers. TRAC, or traction control, manages wheel spin to maintain grip on the road surface. Modern vehicles integrate these systems, so an engine problem can trigger VSC and TRAC deactivation as a safety measure. When one system detects an issue, it may disable related systems to prevent unsafe operation. When warning lights appear, begin by documenting when they illuminated, the driving conditions, and any performance changes you noticed. This information helps identify patterns and potential causes. Use an OBD2 scanner to retrieve error codes from your vehicle's computer system. These diagnostic trouble codes provide specific information about detected problems and guide your troubleshooting efforts. After clearing codes and resetting the system, monitor whether the lights reappear. If warning lights persist after these initial steps, further professional troubleshooting will be needed to identify and resolve the underlying issues. When basic troubleshooting steps fail to resolve warning lights, advanced diagnostic techniques become necessary. This involves systematic testing of specific components and deeper system analysis. The first step in advanced troubleshooting is testing specific sensors and actuators based on the diagnostic trouble codes retrieved from your OBD scanner. Different sensor types require different testing approaches. Wiring inspection is crucial in advanced troubleshooting. Corroded connections, damaged harnesses, and loose connectors are common causes of intermittent warning lights and system malfunctions. Real-world case studies demonstrate common advanced troubleshooting scenarios. A faulty accelerator pedal position sensor can trigger multiple warning lights simultaneously, requiring both sensor replacement and system recalibration. Another common scenario involves ECU software glitches that cause persistent check engine lights without any actual performance issues. These require manufacturer software updates rather than hardware replacement. Professional diagnostic tools are essential for advanced troubleshooting. Modern OBD scanners provide live data streams, component testing capabilities, and access to manufacturer-specific diagnostic procedures. Regular maintenance is crucial for preventing warning light issues. Follow a structured schedule: monthly visual inspections, quarterly OBD scans for pending codes, and annual professional diagnostic checks. Environmental factors significantly impact system performance. Cold weather can trigger temporary sensor issues, while poor fuel quality contributes to emission system problems. Stay current with manufacturer updates and use quality diagnostic tools for accurate diagnosis and repair.